In this video, I will show you how to fix a trackpad that's not working on your Windows laptop. First, make sure your laptop's trackpad hasn't been accidentally disabled. Many laptops have a dedicated function key to turn the touchpad on or off. Hold the FN key and press the touchpad function key on your keyboard. Then check if the trackpad starts working. If it's still not working, open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then select Touchpad. Make sure the Touchpad option is turned on. Next, check your touchpad settings to ensure it's enabled and configured correctly. If the issue continues, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices or human interface devices. Then right-click your touchpad driver and choose Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to search for the latest driver. If updating doesn't solve the problem, right-click the touchpad driver again and select Uninstall Device. Restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Finally, check for any available Windows updates, install them, and restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, test the trackpad again. That's it. That's how you can fix a trackpad that's not working on your Windows laptop. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel